If you are lazy like this, but you still want to make money, then this video is for you. But I'm not gonna be showing you something that you don't have to do anything. You do have to do a little bit of work. You need only 5 minutes to set up the method that I'm gonna show you in this video. You can make $100 to $1,000 completely automatic. Everything I'll show you step by step, so make sure you're gonna follow every step without skipping any important part. I'm gonna be showing you a new free traffic source that has over 100 million visitors every single month, and you're gonna boost your income using this free traffic, and I'll give you a bonus tip at the end. But if you don't watch the full video, then you'll not understand the bonus. So let's not waste any more seconds. Let's start right now. So first, what I want you to do, I want you to come over to Google and search free PLR ebooks, and once you search free PLR ebooks, then you'll get a bunch of websites that provide you free PLR ebooks to download. Now what PLR means? PLR means private label rights. It allows someone to change existing content, such as articles or videos, and market it as their own. So once you search free PLR ebooks on Google, then you can open any of these websites from this search result. So I opened a website, free PLR downloads, and once you open any PLR download website, then you want to look for the category, and you want to choose a topic, so we're gonna choose the weight loss category. And from here you can download any ebook easily for free of cost. As you can see, it has more pages. Now to download an ebook, simply click on it first. And now you want to go a little bit to the bottom, and you'll see a download button like this. And once you click this download button, you will then see that a zip file has been downloaded to your device. So as you can see, I'm on my downloads folder, and I'm gonna extract this zip file on my device. And once you extract the zip file, then you'll see a folder like this, and inside this folder, you'll find a PDF ebook. Now this was the first step. Now the second step is to go and hit the like button. I want 1K likes on this video, and leave a positive comment if you really love my content. Okay, now moving to the business. This step, I want you to come over to an affiliate network like Digistore24. Doesn't matter if you want to use any other network, you can still apply the method that I'm gonna be showing you in this video. If you don't have an account already, then create an account quickly, and once you logged into your account, you want to click here Marketplace, and you want to go all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Now we need a weight loss product, since we downloaded an ebook about weight loss. This is a weight loss product, and its commission is really crazy. As you see, this product will pay you $115 for one single sale. You'll find more weight loss products under the physical products, and then supplements. These are all weight loss products that you can choose to promote. Now to promote an offer, simply copy this link first. This link is your affiliate link. Now back to the PDF folder, and here what we want to do, we want to edit this PDF file, and we want to put our affiliate link inside this PDF, and to do that, I want you to come over to this website Sejda.com. And once you come over to this website, I want you to click this button here, edit a PDF document. It's free. And then you want to upload the PDF file from your downloads folder. Now here what I would recommend you to do. I would recommend you to put your affiliate link to the top of every page on this PDF. Let me show you how you'll do that. As you can see here, text already selected. And you can see it says add new or change existing text. Now to put a new text to anywhere on this PDF, you'll simply click there first. Then you see it says type your text. And here you'll type something like, too lazy to exercise. This is for you. And then you'll simply paste your affiliate link. I would say short this link by using an URL shortener, like Bitly or Cutly. That way you can make this text a little bit bigger. You can change the color to make it more highlight. You can make it bold, and place it in the center like this. And once you finish adding this text to every page, now you want to download this edited PDF to your device, and to download it, you want to click here this button Apply Changes. And then as you see it says your document is ready, and let's it. And here as you see it finished downloading, let's open it, and let's see if the link is clickable or not. Yes, you see it's clickable. Anyone can click on this link. Then they will go to your affiliate offer, and when they made a purchase, then you'll make $115